Parkside Performance small drill hammer with the 3 usual working modes. The housing is entirely made out of some sort of plastic, even the part of the moving mechanical parts. You can dismantle it only if you take apart the chuck and remove the metal ring around the plastic bushing in front of the gray plastic cover. I've opened mine because it had a loud noise when working in drill-only mode. The mode dial has a flimsy mechanism behind it gliding on 2 screws. The good news is that Parkside didn't cheap out on the grease.